Take off.
What's up, y'all? I just want to hop on here and give y'all a quick little view of me
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
flying the drone down at Lake Michigan. Yeah, so this video that I shot, it was shot last year on my drone, and it was a DJI Mavic Air. I don't think it was a mini or nothing like that, but yeah, DJI Mavic Air. I had to fly more package, had a few extra batteries, whatever, but man, flying this thing was so much fun. Like just even learning the whole process of everything that you see in here, like, you know, making sure that I'm doing smooth transitions, and, you know, learning how to, you know, rotate the camera while, you know, panning over something like that. Like, I was able to capture some really good footage with that drone. I did sell it because I noticed it didn't have some features that I needed on the drone. But I do plan on eventually grabbing another one. And like, yeah, yesterday, so I found a bunch of these videos that I recorded on my Google Photos. And I'm just like, man, like, it kind of reignited that desire and that passion to, you know, to fly the drone and also, you know, get the good footage that I've been, you know, trying to get. But the crazy and cool part about all of this is I just got this MacBook, and man, it's been like I don't know, this is what I've been waiting for, you know what I mean? Like, I've been wanting to have a MacBook and edit videos, because I've always had an iPhone for quite some time now, but I finally got my iPhone paired up with a MacBook, so anything that's saved on my phone, I can just airdrop it to the computer and then, you know, load it up into my DAW, and yeah, just edit it from there. And right now I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna keep this program. I do like it, and I am learning stuff every day that I use it now, so I am learning stuff, like I said, you know. But I think I do want to try Logic Pro, because I just want to pay that flat rate and be done with it. But yeah, I mean, just look at this view. Like, it's a really nice view. I mean, it ain't like spectacular or nothing like that, but it's just cool seeing, you know what I mean, the world from a different view and a different perspective. Like, and like, I shot this, like, it's so dope. But yeah, I do plan on getting another one. I don't know if you guys been to Milwaukee or not, or if any of my Milwaukee people are watching. Shout out to y'all. Yeah, we got this little burger shack down by the Lake Michigan. They do burgers and shakes, and I think cheese curds, fries, stuff like that. But yeah, this is the lakefront. Like, this is where it be going down. Like, it's dope. Like, I don't know, you know, just putting out some stuff from the city, so y'all could check out. But here, I was actually trying to try something. I believe this is the spot here. Yeah, like, so the camera's moving one way and the drone is moving like in the opposite direction. I believe I did that right here. I just zoomed in on this guy working out. Getting them gains in. Yeah, I think this is where I try it right here. Let's see. Maybe not. He's out here spying on people. And we pan over the street. No, yeah, that must not have been it then. Cause like, it creates a really cool effect when you got the drone moving like in the opposite direction of the camera. Like, they're kind of doing their own thing, but you know what I mean, it's kind of trippy actually. And even that, like, just that slow pan, But you can see how it's kind of glitchy there. Like, that's what I didn't like about this drone. I don't know if it was some settings that I needed to tweak on my end, but man, like I could get some amazing shots, but then sometimes like it'll just be super choppy, and then yeah, that message keeps popping up, compass interference. I did do some research and find out that I could, there were some settings I could have changed. I don't know if I tried it or not, but I did sell it. I think here's when I placed the drone in sport mode. But yeah, there I am, King Emmanuel and Sonny. Yeah, I can tell it's in sport mode. I think right about here, you'll see like when the camera turns back around, and then like that right there, that thing used to be flying, like literally. Like, no, it'll go super fast though. Yeah, here we go. I'm just getting it down a little lower. And then, I guess it ain't going that fast, but like in person, that thing's zipping. I wish you guys could hear, how it sounds. But yeah, you see that slow pan. Like, I can get some good B-roll out of this, like just some, you know what I mean? I don't know. But even that too, like I don't think I had an SD card in there, so, or maybe I did have an SD card, but it wasn't a large SD card. So, man, it's so much that I learned, and you know what I mean. This next time around, I think like, I just gotta go for it. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I gotta change the frequency band so we can possibly stop getting that compass error. I got to put a larger SD card in there. Yeah, just do some of those tricks that I learned. That slow pan, and like even zooming in while moving backwards, or zooming out while moving forward. Those are some of the cool tips and tricks, things that you can do with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Landing.
King ×2 out. Peace.